Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be looking at more of my car robot thing and my journey into robotics. So first little update on this guy is that I did go ahead and change the battery power system. Before I was using this 9-volt battery, but to be honest, I didn't really like this case of sorts. The battery fits in there way too tightly and it's really difficult to take out, so I didn't like that so much. So I went ahead and bought these batteries, and I never heard of this size. What is it? 18650, 3000 milliamps, 3.7 volts. I'd never seen a battery this big before. I've seen normal AAA, AA, C, D batteries, but this size I've never seen before. So I went ahead and installed the new battery case for it. Wasn't too difficult, just had to really just unscrew it and screw this one in and reconnect to proper cables. But one other good point about this is that, one, it has a cover for it. The other one didn't have a cover. And then two, get this on right. Two, it has an on-off switch like that. And as you can see, the voltage right there. But the previous case doesn't have an on-off switch. It was always on, which I guess isn't too big of a problem really, but as you can see, it's glowing brightly. So that would be kind of annoying. So I would have to keep taking the battery out every time I stopped using it. And like I said, it was difficult to take out of the case. So it's nice to be able to switch to this battery type and turn it on and off very easily. Just like that. And works just fine. So that's cool. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and stop the video here for now, and I'm going to go ahead and install the next sensor or part or whatever, so we'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and installed some new sensors, as you can see here, but I had to disconnect this sensor. So this was the remote control sensor, and so I disconnected that so that I could install these tracking sensors. So this is pretty cool. I really like this. So as you can see here, we have R2 in a video. So watch this. Well, hold on. Let me close R2's arms. He's ready. Oh, my app disconnected. Let's go ahead and get R2 connected again. Okay. R2's connected. Let's go ahead and let's see. Close the arms. There we go. Oh, hey R2. Stop moving your head so much. You might break it, because that's actually what's broken or not working properly. His head moves too fast. So, but that's alright for now. Okay. R2, stop opening your arms. Oh, he just disconnected again. See, he's just not working so well. As you can see, let's reconnect. Okay. Let's close the arms again. Okay. Now let's show you what this car can do. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it on. So, this is really cool. If I move R2 forward, the car will now automatically try to follow R2. Oops. Oh, wrong way. But as you can see, it's very excited. Oh, and R2 is excited too. His arm just opened again. Alright. But R2. Alright. There you go. Anyways, but now, since I uninstalled the remote tracker, I can't use remote control on it. But I think the next step might be installing a Blu-ray, or not Blu-ray, Bluetooth feature, or Wi-Fi feature, so then I can control it with my iPad. Ooh, R2. Stop talking so much. So as you can see, R2 does work, just not 100%. There we go. So yeah, I still need to get him fixed. Oh. There we go. Let's see if we can do it again. Alright, so... Oh, hello, R2. So he keeps disconnecting randomly. We're gonna have to get him fixed. Maybe next week I can call the company. Oh, close your arms. There we go. And just like that, it follows it. That's pretty cool. Alright. Well, I don't want to waste the batteries too much on it and burn out the motors or anything. So yeah, that's the new feature that I installed, the tracking, IR tracking. So that's pretty cool. Oh, okay, R2. I know you're excited. So, alright. Anyways, we're going to stop the video for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.